Hey guys, here's just a quick video of how you integrate Paperform and Companyhub using Zapier. So here we are. I've just done a quick form in Paperform, and it's just a very simple loan inquiry form. And then I'm going to put it into a new database in Companyhub. So what I do is I go to Companyhub and I create the database, and we make a new custom table, and now the table name, this one is going to be mortgage app. And let's just do mortgage app. There we go. Okay. Now we want it to match. So we want first name, email, how much do you want to borrow, and the main purpose of the loan. So let's do that. So that should be saying first name. And then we want email. Where's email? Email. Okay, email. What was the next one? It was how much do you want to borrow? And it's a number. Where's an amount? We'll just call it a number for now. Because I don't know what formatting the other one does. To borrow. Okay. And then what was the last one? It was, what's the main purpose of the loan? And that's a line. Okay. What's the main purpose? Okay. Save that. Now it's here. And you go into it here and you say edit. And then so you've got all those, save and apply. So you've got all those columns with the things that you want across the top, the names. So when they come in, you'll see them come in here. Okay, so we go back to form in Paperform, and you go to configure. Then you go into integrations. Go right down to the bottom where it says connect to Zapier. And that takes you straight into Zapier. And then you just go make a Zap. And then you choose Paperform. And you just test it. Then you look at the form that you made, and our one's called Loan App, so this is the form we'll use. Then you have to have already filled in a loan app, filled in a submission to get the results in Zapier to use in your Zap. So let's go and just fill in the form. So we've got one to use for the Zap. It may remember my last one and not this one anyway. That doesn't work. It's got to be, oops. I'll say whoops. Okay, we'll just say 560,000. What's the main purpose of the loan? Purchase new home. Submit. Okay, so then we go back into Zapier and we say fetch and continue. View submission. Okay, is it the one I just did? Yep, 560 model home. Yep, that's it there. Okay, then you go continue. And then we're going to send it into Companyhub. Oops, can't spell company. I was wondering where it was. And the action, you can create, there's no point creating contact because you can already do that with Companyhub. Create a deal, update a record or a task or anything, but today we want to do create a record in the custom table because we just built a custom table. Test it. Save and continue. Then we go select the custom table that we just made, which was mortgage application. And then you've got to, originally when I did this, I made a mistake. I did the questions, not the answers. So you've got to look for the answer, the first name, look for all the answers. The email, where's the email answer? Model home loans. How much can you borrow? This looks really easy, but it's actually a little bit harder than it looks because some of the things like this aren't that obvious. What's the main purpose? Okay, continue. Send the test to Companyhub. Finish. Okay, select. Okay, so that can be, this can be called Paperform to Companyhub. Select a folder. Oh, you don't have to order that. Put this, turn the Zap on. So it works every time someone fills in the form. It will now go through to Companyhub. Now let's go to Companyhub and see if that thing is in there. Let's go out of that one and into this one. Okay, so there it is, 560. Purchase new home. How much do you want to borrow? Purchase new home, and it's the model home loans at Gmail. Must have accidentally, oh I did it once when I was testing it and once again by accident, but you can see it there. Usually it doesn't let you do it twice, but it did because the submission test did one, so that's good. Anyway, you can see all the details that come through, and that's how you do the Zapier integration for Paperform and Companyhub directly. Okay guys, thanks so much, and hopefully this helps.